Hello everyone and happy 2025. For today's menu item, I prepared a very simple hash brown and fried egg dish that we make in our home at least twice a week. Takes about 20 minutes to whip up, and the shoestring hash browns are a nice change up to traditional breakfast, so let's get into the recipe. The first thing on the prep list is the hash browns, and here I'm using a Japanese vegetable turner with a fine tooth blade to create the shoestring shape. I prefer using Yukon gold potatoes for this application, but there's a number of potatoes that will work just fine. Get a pan on medium heat with a little oil and butter, then fry up the string potatoes. Just make sure to evenly place them in the pan to get a consistent cook on the product, and don't forget to season with salt. If you have a lid, that will help speed up the cooking process if you're trying to get these done quick. Give the hash browns a flip and continue cooking on the other side until it's a golden brown, about 10 to 12 minutes total cook time. Place the hash brown in a warm oven to keep it hot, then using the same pan on medium heat, you're going to add in the butter along with some paprika and chili powder, then you're going to give it a swirl. Quickly add in the eggs to the spicy butter so the spices don't burn. Then you're going to fry the eggs until the whites are just about set. Then you're going to finish cooking the tops of the egg whites with a lid under a broiler or a torch like I'm using, but just keep the yolks as runny as you can. Once everything is ready to go, it's time to plate this up with the hash browns going down onto the plate first, then the fried eggs, and a good drizzle of the red spicy butter. I also added a bit of rosemary to the butter as well last minute. And that's it, folks. A very simple breakfast that can reignite your passion for homemade breakfast with your family that's quick and heartfelt. As with most recipes, there's a ton of ways to add or customize this to your liking. So get inspired, create something new, and I will be back with another recipe soon. Later, folks.